Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Can I get a breakfast burrito?
What?
What's happening with your body today?
It's being annoyed by the guy with the camera. What?
You're not wearing underwear today?
No.
Why not?
It's Free Ball Sunday.
Free Ball Sunday! So what are you doing with this thing?
Making an engine cart.
Making an engine cart if you didn't understand that.
Sorry, I'm bending over. My fat belly's making me talk funny.
We need to do some, hey, let's stretch out together.
Straight. You're creepy.
Now your favorite thing, the hip sugar. Come on and shake that cute little booty of yours. Ow!
Stretch out. Look at, you can barely walk.
I can always barely walk.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this show might be ending. Because one of us might be dying and the other one doesn't know how to do anything. I'm the old one, but you're the broken one. He's making a trike.
Put your camera on a tripod or something so you can work.
I don't have a tripod. And he is wearing underwear too, thankfully.
What? I don't have a trike.
Thanks!
Caster kind of sucks.
What sucks?
Caster.
I got a flat tire.
Put that somewhere so you can work. Where's saran wrapper? Why am I saran wrapping and you're not working?
Do you ever work at the airport? Do one right over here. Like underneath.
Can you do it?
Oh, yeah, I will.
I'm not bending over backwards.
Got it.
Get it tight.
Get it right, get it tight.
That's teamwork right there, everybody.
Good. Well, how you got every tool out again?
This is every tool.
Pretty close.
It's that time.
Can I help you?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Making a pattern.
What are you doing?
Making a pattern. Stab you.
Can get the old circle drawer. See, this is why you stay in school.
Right, so you bug me?
Did you go to college at all? Oh yeah, look at that. Getting ready for the airbags.
So please like and subscribe to me. Please. Because I only have a little bit of subscribers. So can you please subscribe? So right now I'm going to show you my YouTube channel. Right now I'm going to show you how many YouTube subscribers I have. Because my mom said she was going to buy me a camera when I have 10 subscribers.
What are you doing to this guy?
Wheels on it?
I don't know.
Wash it good.
I'm not lying. I'm going to get stitches.
Oh, that bad, huh?
Yes.
You're gonna look good going in there. Dude, right?
Oh, I'm changing.
Why?
Because.
Like pretty for the doctor?
Yeah.
Are those your hospital sweats?
Yeah. What if they had to put me out?
that happened. And Justin's finger got filleted. It was pretty gross.
And the shout outs goes to